Fix iPhone Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Easy solution. Now, if your Wi-Fi on iPhone is keeping on connecting, disconnecting, connecting, disconnecting, sometimes it could just be the issue with your router or internet connection. So first is you can try to restart your iPhone by pressing the volume up as well as the power button like this and slide to power off and restart your iPhone. And then after that, it might work or might not work, right? You must also ensure that you're within the range of your network connection, because if your router is too far away from you, your iPhone will have trouble connecting to the range or the internet connection properly. So make sure you are within the range as well. You can also try to go ahead and then open settings, go to general, scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Go to reset, select reset all settings right here to see if that helps you solve the problem. Try to turn off and turn on Wi-Fi again, and also try to restart your router. Now, if this is still not working, ensure your iOS update is updated to the latest version, because sometimes the issue could be with the update. It could have been corrupt during installation, so you can try to reinstall the update or reset it as well. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.